Welcome! In this video we will discuss how to manage Pix40 Fields projects. Pix40 Fields projects generated from multispectral imagery can require substantial physical storage space. Pix40 Fields provides you with the tools to efficiently and safely store your projects on different storage devices. On the dashboard, open the Settings menu. Here you can see the data storage folder used by Pix40 Fields. All projects and their associated files will be stored in this folder. Pix40 Fields projects can be exported and imported in batches. To batch export multiple Pix40 Fields projects, click on the settings icon on the dashboard. Next, click Export Projects. Select the projects to export. You can view the storage space required for each project as well as the total required. Click Export Projects, select the desired folder, and click Select Folder. All the elements of the project will be exported as a P4Z file to the desired folder. To batch import Pix40 Fields projects, open the Settings menu on the dashboard. Click Import Projects. Select one or more P4Z files and click Open. Pix40 Fields will display the selected projects along with their corresponding file sizes. If a project is already present on the device, it will be identified as a duplicate. Select the desired projects and click Import Projects. Once the projects are imported, they are saved locally in the Pix40 Fields data storage folder on the device. To export a single Pix40 Fields project, open the desired project. Click Export in the top right corner of the interface. Next, click Project. You can select where you want to save the project. The project is exported as a Pix40 Fields project archive file. To import a Pix40 Fields project, ensure you are logged into Pix40 Fields, but the program is not currently open on the device. Open the folder containing a Pix40 Fields project archive file and double-click on the file. Confirm you want to import the project to Pix40 Fields. It will be copied to the root Pix40 Fields folder on the current device. We hope this tutorial video on how to export, backup, and manage Pix40 Fields projects was helpful. See you in the next one.